G'day, I'm Ralph Schwartz. Welcome to Geoterrics Outdoors Australia. A couple of years ago I was up at Yukonbean River with my oldest brother, and my brother had along a little toolbox, and inside there was a battery, and he had a little cigarette lighter attachment set up to it. And I was so impressed by the little setup that he'd put together that I got inspired actually to make my own. And this is what I've come up with. I've got myself an electric component box and put myself a little handle on, a little crooked I must admit, but hey, it works. I put some plastic washers there just to sort of stop a bit of ingress, and what I put on the inside was a couple of lithium batteries because they were light. I connected them up parallel and put them through a fuse box. So what I've actually got here is a voltmeter, and currently running at 12.8. I've had it mainly in maintenance mode, and lithium batteries really don't like to be charged in maintenance mode. I've got two terminals here. Made a mistake with those. Probably should have put them a little bit further apart. I often get a little bit of arcing there. On the front I've got a cigarette lighter adapter, and I've also got two USB ports on there. What this does is it charges up some of my gear while I'm out in the field in between shoots. Big improvement was the little 5-watt solar panel I bought, and this is basically just to keep it topped up. Inside here I've got a little regulator down the back there, and the whole thing fits together. The issue I've got with this particular rig, although it's got a bit of an O-ring here and it's largely splash proof or possibly shower proof, let's face it, this isn't what I need it to be for kayaking. Just FYI, it's too heavy to take backpacking for an overnighter. Often take this along, leave it in the car, and have the panel topping up. But it's not particularly waterproof, and it's not going to do for kayaking trips that Tyron and I have got planned for the future. So I'm actually going to make another one, which will be in a whole other league. What I've got from Wish is one of these waterproof plastic boxes here. Currently it's configured as a box that you can pull these little bits out, but what I'm actually going to do is take both of these out and get slightly bigger batteries, and I'm going to set it up that I'll have 3 batteries in here, voltage regulator, bigger solar panel. This being a case that has again a raised lip with a plastic insert there, that's going to give me some surety of waterproofing. If you've enjoyed this video, please share it with like-minded friends. Please make a comment if you've got something to say. Please like and please subscribe if you haven't already done so. And thanks for watching.